everyone, welcome back to my channel Artistic Canvas. Today we are going to do something different. It's not going to be a regular video but a different one. Today I am going to unbox the products sent by Kika. So let's begin. Before starting the video, let's first talk about Kika. So Kika is the online one-stop shop for all the brand art supplies such as Daler-Rowney, Canson, Lyra, Arches, Domes and many more. So I would be linking the link in description. You can check them out over there. So let's begin unboxing. So a few weeks back I got this hamper from Kika and it was so beautifully packed that I was overwhelmed by seeing it only. So let's see what they have sent to me. So here are the oil paints, brushes, sheets, then oil medium and a beautiful letter by Kika. I'm so amazed by having these products that I can't tell you right now. I'm just excited to use them and see how these actually turns out. So let's start. So let's begin with the papers. So here I have Canson sheets, Canson oil painting sheets. These are of 290 GSM and we have about 6 sheets as you can see. So these are really very good sheets. If you are a beginner you can go and have it because you need not to worry about the primer or the gesso you will be needing for the surface. So here these sheets are. I already used it once when I received this kit actually. So it's quite thick. I don't know how much the camera will justify its quality but it's really pretty good. Now let's talk about the oil medium by Daler-Rowney. So it gives you a gloss finish. It dries slowly because it's a medium and then it's fluid in nature and gives you a bit transparent look. So it's basically to give flow to the paint. Then I also have got this refined solvent so that I can use it to make the oil a bit thinner and also to clean the brushes. For cleaning brush you would be needing a solvent. So let's start by putting a few drops of this medium. So I'm adding a few drops of medium and then I'll add some solvent to it. So now I'm going to use this burnt sienna shade, that is basically the brown shade. I'll add a few drops of oil and solvent mixture and then I'll start with my underpainting. Underpainting is basically a layering kind of technique where we first use a burnt shade to draw the basic shapes and designs and cover every inch of the paper with that particular shade and then we keep on adding layers of color. Underpainting is not necessary or required condition or technique for oil painting. We can also use oil paints the way we use acrylic paints or watercolors. The only thing is that we cannot use water along with oil paints as the two cannot mix together. And for that we use oil mediums or solvents to mix our color and to give that blending and flow. So it's basically a personal choice that what kind of technique you are going to use. There is no foundation to it. So these colors are actually so creamy that I hardly require to add much of the oil or solvent to make its flow better. Even the brushes are so fine that I can even make finer lines with this brush only. So it's quite good. So here's the final painting that I made from the product sent by Kika, and it's quite beautiful. So do tell me in the comment section what you guys think about this painting, and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel.